Open report only after upstream protocol, screening, extraction, and analysis are ready. The report should summarize verified work, not hide missing evidence. The report surface shows reporting guidance and the current manuscript workspace. If generation is blocked, fix upstream data first instead of forcing a draft. The export menu separates manuscript-ready outputs from reproducibility evidence. In a tutorial, open the menu but do not download private packets. For reviewers, include evidence maps, anchors, versions, engine routes, and appendix metadata. Screenshots alone are not reproducible evidence.